What on earth is happening?
Wow. Well, there we go.
Oh, damn it. Go, James. Cuddles.
I've been absolutely hung out to dry. Right, we're away now. We're away. Clean air, clean air.
Oh.
Oh my god, mine's everywhere.
Thanks, Mark. Oh no! No, go past. Don't complain.
No complaining either.
Alright, we've got Miles moving in first. Playing the crowd fun, keeping it cool. We got James Fraser coming down in second. And Grant in third. He's followed closely by Frank here. And the stadium top.
It's stressful having that near you.
My tyres are as big as your car.
Don't count with him there, Frank's still on his tail. We got James back. Miles still in first, playing a great job. Showing the knowledge of the home track.
Whee! Sorry, mate. Coming through in dirt.
He's got Craig Dooley holding the tail. He's great, just makes the pass on the best straight.
Damn it, Dooley. No cheating now, James. I know your style.
Wait till he goes off the trail.
Oh, that's some shade, isn't it?
Oh, done. I'll just take a 1, 2, there we go.
Oh. Fine.
Wow.
Oh, you with me again, Gran? This in that exit to that corner's got really flippy.
Yeah.
Frank Smith back on the gear there with the game. Down the back straight. Oh, Frank's got some wheels on that thing.
It's a 4-gear transmission, thank you.
Miles Newman is first place, followed by James Fraser in 6th place, followed by Frank Smith in 3rd place.
What?
Now coming up to Manaia and onto the back straight. About half a second in it. Coming across the strike. James and inside. Oh, Frank takes it.
Whee! I meant to do that. Oh.
Miles Newman with the clear area is just doing the floor upside, keeping it smooth, keeping it clean.
Thanks, Mark.
You like that?
That was on paper.
James Fraser is starting to pull Miles, Miles gets closer to you.
Wow.
4, 3,
This is the last lap now, I think, so it's going to have to happen now. James puts the oxygen as well. He's right on the okay, this is winner.
Dim it, dim it!
He's holding him. Steamer with the beat right. Miles got it. Miles going to take it. Has he got it? Oh, he's taking it.
Planes are done. Frank Smith. Bronson Freeman.
I was too stupid to put them in the ground.
Nice.
Best squirrel.
Robert